Valentine's Day is all about hearts, flowers, cards, and candy, so add something sweet to the kids' table. It's so easy, and the kids will love these grab-and-go treats with this lollipop centerpiece. Let's get started. You'll need a dome-shaped styrofoam ball, lollipops and suckers, and a small heart-shaped mylar balloon on a stick. First, insert the stick of the mylar balloon into the center of the dome. Then start filling in the rest. Insert all the lollipop stems, placing them all over the dome so it's big and full. The pink colors of the lollipops add the perfect tone to your Valentine's Day decorating theme. And there you have it. It's easy to create this sugary sweet, something to eat festive showpiece for your kids' table this Valentine's Day.